The DJI Mavic Air is the near-perfect love child of the very successful Mavic Pro and the compact and user-friendly Spark. It's a consumer drone that highlights DJI's commitment to innovation. By taking the tech and foldable rotor arms from the DJI Mavic Pro and the small form factor and playfulness of the Spark, and then improving on both, DJI has produced its best drone yet for consumers. Update: DJI Mavic Air just got some stiff competition from a rival that, up until now, has flown in DJI's dust. The Parrot Enough is a 4K foldable drone that has the Mavic Air squarely in its sights. It features a portable, lightweight form factor and a 4K HDR camera capable of snapping 21MP stills. It also has a claimed flight time of 25 minutes, beating out DJI Mavic Air's on-paper airtime of 21 minutes. However, we'll have to see how the Parrot Enough stacks up in real-world testing, but for now, it does have DJI Mavic Air beat in one category: price. The Parrot Enough costs $699, £649, and goes on sale July 1st. The Mavic Air hovers over that perfect middle ground, offering high-end specs at a lower price point than the Mavic Pro. It has just about every bell and whistle, though this drone certainly does hum, you could ask for, from 4K video and 32MP panoramic pictures to a 21-minute battery life. More importantly, the DJI Mavic Air is easy to fly thanks to an improved object avoidance system and gesture controls, giving this drone more mainstream appeal.